Hey guys, for today's video, I will show you how to disable YouTube Shorts. To begin, you should launch the Play Store app on your device, and then look for Blocker Hero using the search bar. After that, click on the Install button and wait for a few moments. When the installation is complete, open the app and tap on the Agree and Continue option. Checkmark this box and then tap on this Turn On button at the bottom. I'll take you to this page. From here, simply tap on More Downloaded Services option. Click on Block Hero and then tap on this toggle button. Beside the accessibility option, a pop-up window will appear. Click on OK to confirm. And after that, return to the app and then press the skip button located in the upper right corner of this page. To complete the process, you must activate the toggle button located next to the Block YouTube Shorts. Once done, you will no longer be able to access YouTube Shorts easily. So there you have it. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe.